Hey Tony, Bob Holzacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Beautiful, beautiful car. I wanted to get this out to you right away. We have it in stock. It's one of our first 2023s, the AMG GLE 53 Coupe. Just a wonderful example of AMG product. Love the diffuser, quad exhaust pipes. All-wheel drive, of course. Love it in the black configuration. Burmester sound, heated and ventilated seats. Of course, it has our MBUX system. It's got the touch screen now, and you can talk to it using artificial intelligence for navigation and lighting and temperature, things like that. Really is sweet. NAPPA leather seats. So I'm sending this over to you. Let's talk when we have a chance. 207-747-9714. Again, it's Bob Holzacker here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much.